we are going to see the features of BigBlueButton, and we are also going to see the implementation of BigBlueButton when integrated with a Moodle LMS and when implemented as a standalone system. So we are going to first start with the Moodle LMS. This is one of the Moodle LMS which we have modified for the corporate needs. So I'm just going to log in here as a presenter. So after logging here, uh, basically presenter will see this as a dashboard, okay, where the list of courses will be appearing. We have created one course just for the specific purpose of BigBlueButton demo over here. Okay, so let's go inside it, and once you go inside the course, the very first thing, since it is created as uh, a single topic course, so a single activity course actually, so that's the reason it is directly giving you the option to join the session. Okay, but as a presenter I have other options that I can change the settings of this meeting or this session. So for example, if I want to change the instance type, I don't want the recordings to be part of it, I just want the uh, activity or the session activity to be part of it, then I can select this option. Other than that, if let's say if I want only the recordings to appear here, I can change the instance type to recording only. Let's go ahead with the room activity with recordings right now. I can change the name of this session. Okay, I can give some other name, I can add some more description to it. Okay, and then coming to the activity room settings. So if I want to change the welcome message when all the users will join the session, so this welcome message which actually appears under the public chat can be modified here. I'll leave it to this welcome to BigBlueButton only for now. And you have other options like whether you want your viewers to log in without moderator, so you can change the settings. So if you want the moderator to take care of allowing each participant or the viewer inside the room, then you can set the settings like this. And if you don't want the moderators to have the option to record this session, so you can disable this as well. So I'll leave it right now like this. Now, okay, so participants can be assigned through this section. If you want a specific participants to be assigned, you can select a user and add to them. Okay, so there are different set of users which we have on the system. Accordingly, we can add them if let's say we want any one specific user to be part of it, or the list of specific users to be part of it. So as of now, all users enrolled have been selected, and they will appear as viewer over here. Okay. So again, you can change the settings as part of the session timing. Okay, so if you want a specific time, if you want to define a specific start time or a close time, that can be defined over here, and it will take up the settings. So I have not enabled it right now. I have kept it as an open session for now. So any moderator can launch this session at any point of time. So other settings are related to Moodle, mostly common module settings. I'll not go over this right now since my focus is going to be completely on BigBlueButton. You can just save and display this. So once you come back as a presenter, it will give you the option to join session. Once I click on join session, so it will give me two options, that whether I want to join using my microphone and speaker, or do I want to be on speaker only. So in that case, my microphone won't be activated. So I'll go ahead and uh, join as with microphone. So it will do a echo test. After that, I just click on
You are currently the only person in this
thumbs up
conference.
because I was able to uh, hear my echo correctly there. Basically, that's a microphone test which it does.
You are now muted.
So now, as a presenter, this is the dashboard or the interface which I have been offered with. And if you see, there are different options here. Public chat is one thing where you can communicate with the other users. Okay, so before I go over the features here, let me log in as a learner so that you can see how the learners will appear in the list here. So here is another window I have opened where I'm going to log in as a learner. I'll do the same thing. So this is the page which I've been offered after I've logged in, and then I'll go to dashboard where I'll see the same course as a learner since I've logged in as a learner. Now it's also says so right now the time is 9:20. It is also giving me the information that session has already started and there is one more moderator inside the session. So I'll try to join the session. I'll follow the same steps. Here I will join as listen only. I'll not enable the audio because right now it may interfere with the recording which I am doing.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay. So now the learner is also joined, and as a learner I can see there is a presenter who is right now currently muted, and as a learner also I get the option to public chat. I can send a private chat also. So say if I want to start a private chat with the presenter, I can just click on this and start a private chat and say hi, I am learner. That's it. So as a presenter, as a presenter, when this chat is received from the learner side, so there will be another user which will be created under the messages module, and the message will appear against the name of the user who has tried initiating the chat. Okay, so otherwise if you are communicating over a public chat, you can just say hi, and that chat information will be available over the public chat. As a learner, I can go under the public chat section and I can see the message over there. We'll look at the other features of BigBlueButton in our next video. We'll see you there.